official shopping vlog for Miss Malia. She's gonna go shopping. We are at the Waikele outlets. And what do you plan on getting, my dear?
I don't know. Clothings,
okay. So there's a lot of, there's fragrance. I can smell fragrance. Sorry. There's just so much. So much to see, so much to do. I feel like we're at like a trip together because I never come out this way. We're on a trip together. Oh, what's this? Okay. Just went to our first store. It's called Local Fever, but it's literally just another version of Jeans Warehouse. But we got some good stuff for good prices, so I'm not complaining. We did some more damage. She got her first like purse because you'd carry around a bag. Yeah. But now she's got a purse. We're looking at other stores. Okay, stock it up, girl. Let's see what's in my bag.
Is there a spot for it?
No, just put it in.
Insert.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, don't look at my bag.
Okay, nice. What is that?
My vaccination card.
Oh my god. Keys. Okay, now we're at the Ala Moana Center. We got some Starbucks. Let me see the purse. Oh, so cute. And she was like, it's very convenient. I'm like, uh-huh. It really is. Yum yum. Anyways, so guess we're getting in shrimp, salad, bread, and then what'd you get?
Cheese ravioli.
Mmm.
Like this gives you an example of like the white blanket and
Okay, go. Whenever you're ready, Malia. That's kind of unsatisfying. Oh! Do a slow-mo of that. Should I put that? Malia peed on her dad. I was trying to shut the sunroof and she's first of all, she doesn't use her mirrors. She rather spreads her head around. And then she's like, oh no, my meat fell out. And I look back and I see a piece of meat next to her Kate's spade bag. Just sitting on the floor. Saving it for later. Yeah, okay. So the guy is just on the ground and I don't know where his camera is. Please do not jump off. Okay, let's bring him to Marissa. Okay. Marissa? I have a baby. What do I do with it? I have a baby. I'm like, Marissa's talking back. Bite it.
Yummy.
Drive.
I am. Girl, we're like
We're speaking its language.
away from me.
Yeah. Oh, it's a lot here. Malia. You good? Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're making crepes. Okay, making crepes. Got the pan, we got the butter, we got the cats. you get your ladle, put butter in the pan. If you have like the crepe pan, you put it to 350, but we're just doing medium high. Get the ladle and plop. Too much butter in the pan. Now we have crepes, blueberries, and the rest of it. Okay. And Simba.
That's good.
Simba, you want?
He has diabetes, so no.
Oh, good. Good choices. Good choices. We still have some more. That noise. I'm gonna cut out me talking and just.
Okay. Stop, I knew you were gonna do that.
This is.
I'm good thing I have gloves.
Huh?
Good thing we have gloves.
I know, right? This is like an ice cream scooper. Blanky?
Oh, you picked it up.
I don't know what it is. I'm gonna throw some of them away. Just keep up picking up trash. With my trash glove too. That's the roach. I thought that was look at the exoskeleton of a lizard. Do you like lizards? Yeah, clearly.
Yeah, I like lizards, I guess.
Put the clip of the bird in the last thing. Dude, that bird had it like a death wish. This is pretty much the end of the vlog. I look gross. We're gonna face Malia. Yeah, goodbye. I'm gonna edit the second one and release it. But here's the clip of the bird again. So enjoy.